Today, we're going to watch the train coming. We're going to watch the train that is coming right now. Are you ready? Now we have to wait. It will scare me, okay? Look at me. Look at this. I'm in the mirror. Hello. Okay, relax. Here comes the train. The train is going to pass right now, really soon, okay? In 3, 3.5, 3.25, 2, 2.8, 2 quarters, 2 halves, 2 mediums, 1 half, medium. Stop it. Stop counting. Okay, I'm sorry. Whoa! Yay! That was amazing! Awesome!